उक्तावणाक आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक, खासदार नरेंद्र सावयकार, बीजेपीचो प्रदेश अध्यक्ष विनय तेंडुलकार, त्रिमंत्री सल्लागार समितीचो फ्रांसीस, आमदार मिलिंद नाईक, निलेश काब्राल आणि अलिना आशिल्ली।
अब कुछ लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि ये भी बंद करो, वो भी बंद करो, वो भी बंद करो, सभी बंद करो, तो अखबार खरीदने के लिए भी लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं रहेंगे, तो आगे क्या होगा? अगर इकोनॉमी ही बंद हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा, इसका विचार करना चाहिए। We should have an integrated approach for development and environment. We have to protect the environment. Ecology and environment is the highest priority. At the same time, we have to think about the poor people, जिनके लिए हमको रोजगार देना है, उनका पेट भी चलाना है। Any eccentric thinking is not useful for the country, neither for the society. We should find out an integrated approach for that. We will not compromise with ecology and environment.
Airport ferry terminal to Sikkaram, Panjim and then to Old Goa and back. They have further plans to extend the services to other destinations in Goa with the active cooperation of Captain of Ports. The journey from this terminal to Sikkaram will take 30 minutes. By road it takes more than an hour, and from Panjim it will take another 10 minutes from there. So thereby saving considerable time as well as it's a pleasurable experience. More importantly, the journey itself become an experience rather than just a mode of transportation.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुळशीदास च्यारी।